Hello, pre-algebra students. In this lesson, we are going to look at writing variable expressions, which simply means that we are going to take words in English and transfer them into numbers and variables to create kind of a math sentence. So there's a couple vocab words that I want to talk about and go over before we get too far. The first word is a variable. And that is just simply going to be a letter that represents a number. And that can change, or that can vary from different number to different numbers. A lot of the times we choose to use X's. Sometimes there'll be an X, sometimes there'll be a Y, a Z, but really any of the 26 letters in the alphabet will be perfectly fine, or what we can use. A constant is just a number that has no letter attached to it. So it just might be like the number 3, or the number 4, or the number 5. And an expression is a combination of variables and constants mixed together. There's one more word that I want to add, and that is going to be the word coefficient. And a coefficient is a number in front of a variable. So if we look at something like 3x, x here is our variable, and 3 is the coefficient. So an example of an expression could be like 2z plus 6. So 2 we would consider to be a coefficient, z is our variable because it's our letter, and then 6 is a constant because it's just a number that has no letter attached to it. So those are some vocab words that I want you to know as we work through here. So as we go to write, we have to know and understand what words can mean addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. So some words that can mean addition might be something like more than, or add, or plus, or in addition to, or the sum of these numbers, just to name a few. Subtraction could be something like less than, or subtract, or minus, or take away, or you might see difference. All of those words would mean subtraction. For multiplication, some words that you may see are product, times, are probably the two big ones. And for division, the big one that you will see is the quotient, or you might see divided by, are some current words for division. Right, so again, keep these in mind. There might be some more as they come on. If you can think of more, please go free and go ahead and list them. So that takes care of our vocabulary portion of this lesson for today. Please move on to the next video as we look at writing expressions and identifying parts of expressions.